And I've broken down sort of the proportion of energy generated by various sources. So you could see back in the 1800s, we were a wood-burning economy, and it took about 50 years to make the conversion from wood to coal, which is a much more efficient resource. And then it took about another 50 years to make the conversion from coal to oil, which is a cleaner burning resource and easier to distribute. And then, again, a multi-decadal process of slowly replacing oil with gas. So I think if you look up in this corner, the other corner, which includes all the renewables, it's not very likely it's going to happen much faster than that. And that's so, although we are very much interested in developing renewable sources of energy of all types, I think we also need to keep in mind that for the next several decades, we're going to be very much wedded to our fossil fuel economy, and therefore we have to make sure that is as safe and as environmentally sound and as free from foreign influence as possible. And that's really what this talk is about. So let's just look at the U.S. resources, domestic resources of natural gas, which is a very large part of our energy mix. Back in 1990, we were using 20 trillion cubic feet a year. That's been increasing about 1% a year. Today it's about 23 trillion cubic feet a year. And we've been finding new gas about as fast as we've been using it. So we have basically maintained a 50-year supply for the last 20 years. That's good. But if you look at this chart, which is from the Potential Gas Committee of the Colorado School of Mines, in the last 3 years, something quite extraordinary has happened. We've gone from a 50-year supply to an 80-year supply, adding something like 616 trillion cubic feet to our reserves. And that is almost all due to gas shale, which is the subject of the talk today. So you can see that we have a very new resource that's having a huge impact on our entire energy picture.